We'll guide you through how to upload shorts on YouTube from an iPad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Shorts are a certain type of content on YouTube, so you want to go and use them. We're going to guide you through this step by step. So if you come to the bottom of YouTube and press the plus, you can go and see we have video, live and post. Now, if you go and press that plus on a phone, you're going to have the option for short. And so you're wondering how you can go and do this on an iPad. So we're going to guide you through it. That you can still go and do it, but you need to go and have the video already made. Now there are some requirements to this video. It needs to be in the vertical format, which is 9:16. So I can open up my photos here. Here is the video I want to do this with. You can go and see it's already vertical. And it needs to be less than 3 minutes or 180 seconds. And they're the requirements. You can go and make this by opening your camera and recording it, make sure it's vertical, and you can edit it in an app like CapCut. That's a video editor. You can go and get started with it for free. So after you've gone and got the video in your photos and camera roll like I have there, you want to come back to YouTube, press the plus at the bottom, and you want to go and find the option for video and tap there. Make sure we allow access, and then go and select it. There it is. So at the bottom, you can still go and crop it and check out some different effects and press next in the top right. Now we're going to be uploading it. You can go and see it's the format here. Choose the thumbnail in the top left. Go and title it, set the visibility, the audience, etc. Then you can go and press upload at the bottom. Now go and wait. And you're going to go and see when we go and press shorts, it's going to go and appear. Just go and be patient, and you may need to go and refresh and come back to the shorts option, and you can then go and see it's appearing in shorts. As you can see, that's it. You successfully uploaded it.